After Effects has the ability to bring in what are known as image sequences so that you can create movie files. Let me go to my desktop real fast and show you that I have a folder called RPFs, and inside this folder are individual pictures. Now we can't see them because an RPF file is a rich pixel format, so we can't get a preview here. But these are all still images rendered from a 3D application. Now what I did was create an image sequence of a satellite in space, and I saved them as individual frames for a very good reason. You'll find that using individual frames that you can recompile into an application like After Effects will be highly beneficial to you. Let's say, for example, that you're rendering 3,000 frames and you choose a QuickTime or an AVI movie file format. You decide to go out to dinner. A lightning storm happens and electricity fries your computer. You're able to recover pretty much everything, but that movie file is destroyed because during the rendering process, it was interrupted. So it's ruined. You can't get back to it. However, as you can see here, I have all these RPFs. So if during a lightning storm, I was completely rendered up to 2,500 frames, I still have those individual frames that I can always use. I just have to re-render the other 500. So I'm going to go to the project panel here, and I'll right click, and I'll choose the import, and I can choose file. I'll go to my desktop, and in this RPS folder, all I have to do is click on one of them like so. And you notice right away that the text down here changes. It says format RLA/RPF, and it says sequence. It knows that there are more than one in here and they're in sequential fashion. So I'll go ahead and say open. I'm going to just leave this at the default, and here it is. You notice the icon here looks like a bunch of different images, and this is the sequence itself. I'll go ahead and drag this onto this icon here, and when I scrub the playhead, we have a movie. So once again, guys, I highly suggest that when you render out for animation or anything like that, instead of choosing a movie file format, which is self-contained, choose image sequences instead. That way you can have an accident and still be able to regain where you left off, and then bring that into After Effects as one sequence like this, and you'll be able to continue your work.